Good morning students, welcome to your social class. Today we are going to learn about good citizen, okay? This is the continuation of the previous class. Now, preserve our culture and heritage. Now children, go through this picture. Cultural heritage is a exclusion of the ways of living by a community passed on one generation to another generation. Now next, develop patriotism. The word patriotism means love and respect towards the country. These are the constitutional values. Every single person has to follow this. We had seen all the good values now. We have to learn about citizen. Now, citizen. A citizen is a person who is a member of a particular country and enjoys various rights and executes his duties. A safeguards provided the citizenship to the people, right to live, right to vote, and right to work, and other rights enjoyed by citizen. Now we are going to learn about how to be a good citizen at school. Listening to your teacher, first one. Then follow the rules of the school. Be respectful to your classmates and teachers. Be kind and helpful. Share and cooperate with your friends. Be honest. Be responsible. These are the things which makes you a good citizen at school. How to be a good citizen in your community. Help and be active in your community. Keep your community clean. Protect the environment. Be a good neighbor. Follow the rules and laws. How to be a good citizen at home. Helping my parents. Follow the rules of the home. Be respectful to grandparents, parents, siblings and relatives. Do daily chores. Be honest and truthful to my parents. That means to your parents. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about factors that enriches good values are. First one, literacy. You can see here. First one, literacy. Literacy means ability to read and write. Every individual to know, read and write. Second one, creating awarenesses and interest. Creating awarenesses is the knowledge about something. Then the third one, trying hard, still success. Try hard till we reach the success. One's own evolution. We have to evaluate ourselves. Self-evolution is very important. We must know our strength and weakness. Then acceptance. We have to accept each and everything. Then we are going to learn about self-confidence. Self-confidence is very important. Self-confidence boosts our work. These are the good factors that enrich us our good values. Children, go through this lesson. We can meet in the next class. Thank you.